Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the escape so sync is active. This lets the head unit accept connections. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and make it discoverable. You need both devices visible to pair. Make sure any older paired devices are off or deleted from sync because conflicts prevent new pairings. If prompted later, you'll need the PIN or confirm a code. Keeping your phone unlocked speeds the process and avoids timeouts. You press Phone on the Sync menu and choose Add a device. Sync then searches for Bluetooth signals. On your phone, tap the entry labeled Sync when it appears. You'll see a 4-digit PIN on both displays. Confirm that the numbers match. This ensures secure pairing and prevents accidental connections. Allow Sync to access contacts and messages so your calls display names. Once paired, Sync saves the device automatically, making future connections faster and hands-free. You finish by selecting Sync as your phone's audio output for music and calls. Verify sound through the car speakers. If pairing fails, remove the Sync entry on your phone and delete the phone from the Sync paired devices list, then repeat the process. This clears profile conflicts. If problems persist, check for Sync software updates or perform a soft reset of the system, because outdated firmware or a hung module often blocks Bluetooth discovery or stable streaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.